the visit enabled the delegation members to highlight our fight against terrorism sponsored by Pakistan, our response to Pahalgam in a very calibrated and precise manner, which has been targeted at terrorists and terrorist infrastructure inside the heart of Pakistan. Pakistan's escalation of that conflict beyond the counterterrorism aspect that we had delivered into attacking civilian locations across the border from the north to the west of our country, and our very strong response that I would say compelled them to come to the table to seek a ceasefire. Now, all of that and our new normal in our response to Pakistan was part of the message conveyed by the delegation to all our Kuwaiti interlocutors. I think the Deputy Prime Minister, who represented the government, said that Kuwait had very strongly condemned the terrorist attacks in Pahalgam. Kuwait has a very strong position when it comes to terrorism. Kuwait and India also have a joint working group on security and counterterrorism, which is very important, and that cooperation will continue. Kuwait is also an influential member of the Gulf cooperation on terrorist financing. Kuwait is a member of the Gulf Cooperation Council. It also has significant leverage, financial and economic leverage in Pakistan. And I think the fact that any acts of terrorism will lead to, I would say, a strong response from India, and therefore will impact on the region and beyond, is something that the Kuwaiti interlocutors have internalized and taken note of. So I have no doubt that Kuwait will be responsive in seeking to contain Pakistani use of terrorism as an instrument of its foreign policy.